The contract be August.
About August. When you can't come about August. Into commercial share
okay.
It is soon. Baba I am Messi FM. What join you again? Cobra and money.
Okay. Baba Yaya.
Sure.
Maybe another
Christopher and Mercy FM. One such a for buyer.
Also,
oh, say as usual. I say only a positive like Mercy FM. It's a fair answer. Not in the more positive. Two clubs. And actually, this is here.
Okay.
A German Port City. It's a West Neko.
Okay. For Baba Yaya Messi.
Sure.
Of Asante Kotoko.
Don't Saka.
Saka Dauda. Also.
Oh.
Okay.
Don't say second one. You know, Mercy FM discipline. Now it does some Asante Kotoko. So you
sure.
Last 6 to 7 games here. Saka Dauda.
Sure.
Problem. A German FM. Why is it the number one?
A German football club.
Kotoko no contract.
The contract.
Ti ko mo say. Kotoko terminate ya. No ma yere.
Baba fa ho.
Baba ho. E gena for me yo, let's see me. Na the region
okay.
Ti ko na America bia.
And the best. Okay.
Kotoko be yo. Me fi me. O give me.
iPhone.
I say me think from as ni bi on. On so mu yi. Enne Enkosi Sunday Monday Obenako.
Okay.
From Port City. Christopher N. But my friend. Now come on out from Kobabedasi.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay.
Ebetwaso.
Benjamin Asare.
Na wakotra scan.
Wakotra scan.
Aya MRI. Scan wakotra MRI. Na mzuri bro. Okay. Aya no bia. FM 1.1. Come on, son.
Chief.
Top the night.
Lawrence Atizigi. Champion goalkeeper. MLS can buy him. We plan a groin injury.
Groin injury. Okay.
So
come on here.
Sure. Groin. Mercy FM.
Okay,
come on. Atizigi, everything do 1 or 3 weeks.
Now it should be as I could see me back.
Thank you.
3 weeks.
What you 3 weeks.
So they will be
3 games na can
do have your corner. You say
you go find out crime yes was meeting abo. See me see July. Sure. TNS say on the World Cup no.
Obi tunu kwa kobra. Ebia ya advance akuye nu kakra no. Say na edu ampane o. Say Lamia mam say we ampane am na fit. Ba ampane ti do mere e do buy. But today Mercy FM 104.1 we're out.
Atizigi
out.
Okay.
Bani na sare ne beda. Ghana. The last game Croatia. Oh yeah, out. Asare in the opportunities there. Asare ne beda.
Okay.
It's Atizigi story that bro no.
Wonderful.
1 or 3 weeks. 1 to 3 weeks no. When we see her Enina. Mercy FM 104.1. Okay, so medical 3 weeks to 1 month. To 1 month.
Okay.
And
okay, 1 month.
But I'm magic to beat number. You can say, you don't want to then England, any Croatia,
out.
That game they were out. But say, as a pandemic in Syria,
and that treatment. Okay.
Tell the one. You go come Asante Kotoko.
Okay.
Sure. Marcus Sod Baba, picture not so.
Baba Yaya.
Baba picture photo so Mrs.
Yaya Messi.
What is told by this last 3 weeks.
Brahma affected.
Affected.
Because Chelsea football club. Coach Kweku Danso.
Yeah,
the best story say coach is omo pem na no. Coach Kweku Danso nkomo no. Ene dey
Wonderful.
Now the meeting say Coach Kweku Danso, formerly of Bichi United, to Recruit Chelsea FC no. It's around 90%.
Kumasi FM.
It's around 90%. Omo ye wi no.
Wow.
Na Mr. President, the TN says see. Who said we could Chelsea? Omo technical team na wo ho no.
Yeah.
Goalkeeper's coach Robert Debu.
Yeah.
The Martin is a coach could answer say e be maintain no.
Okay.
Robert Debu.
Yeah.
As goalkeeper's trainer and as a goalkeeper's coach.
Good.
On be maintain no. Afi Obedo Usu.
Yeah.
Who's an assistant?
Yeah.
Not just with 2 assistants.
Okay.
Coach Emmanuel Nkrumah.
Yeah.
And Obedo Usu.
Yeah.
Obedo Usu so on be maintain no.
Okay.
Now coach Emmanuel Nkrumah dey no. Coach Emmanuel Nkrumah dey.
Yeah.
And a coach could dance to any take decision for now.
Okay.
As to say, or not na say,
okay,
we go forever.
Yeah.
Timpen for the power now the amano.
Okay.
To just settle on. See, good new assistant coach eba. But same day na fi contract no. What be since and my Recruitment Chelsea. Na the meeting say Recruitment Chelsea ne coach could dance recruitment ne kwa machase.
Oh, okay.
For now, pen check information kuta no kra no.
Yeah.
O ma sign 2 players from Adubiase.
Oh, nice.
Omuna center backs.
Okay.
And Matisse Massa signed Division 1. 2 strikers.
Okay.
2 strikers. Omuna so babidru.
Good.
It is very soon. No, you will say Chelsea. Ebe unveiling. No.
Wonderful.
It's no enkra yensa ekafi Blue Chelsea and they are not pay. Football club. Obe usually 2nd July. 2nd.
Wonderful.
On the 2nd of next month.
Good.
And on the resume.
Good.
But the Martin is on the resume na 2nd no. Management members on America Indiana management.
Okay.
Are fantastic CEO, Mr. Collins Atapu Kubisha Edano.
Yeah.
On Nimia Prince Bekala.
Yeah, absolutely.
And Mr. Atedi Bango. Yeah, maestro Munim Penifon Kai Baba Lutamo.
Okay.
Omni coach am ebodu ku fie su betnase. Nobody nkomo. Na fi coach edin the plans at menu.
Okay.
It be be a coach am ebodu be decide say omonko pre-season no. Na fi omo movie call so bendo ma ho so a. No ma na so be mu Cote d'Ivoire. Mamako. Tinda no. Omni bibia ma coach am ebodu.
Wonderful.
Say on one take final decision.
Yeah.
As to be a omo pre-season no. Ombe kwa akoye ntie no eyenkra mensa eke free honum.
Wonderful.
Kofi Agbesima.
Yeah.
Former captain, Hasofuk, former captain Bichi United. Is in the contract on the FC Samatex.
Yeah.
About a year.
Oh, okay.
The meeting is a Port City. And so, interest.
Okay.
See a power room. More interest.
Sure. Nice one.
To the meeting is a
FM 104.1.
Na chese abrantie Kofi Agbesima.
Good.
Ono so omo sabitimi akano. Ti san komo so egusua ekoso.
Wonderful.
Sare Bernard fi nimfa nko bi o hasofu.